Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about Gmail, and as you know, we are doing G Suite certification practicals. So here you can see a lot of options. Gmail chat, audio, video call options. There are many options like general use, dance roster, text to emoji, invites, sound for incoming message. These are the basic details. Block people, hidden content, contacts, share your status. You can even upload this status as you upload on WhatsApp. You can set any status, any emoji. You can set this status. Okay, now you can start new conversation with anyone. First you have to write their name or email ID. If they are already added, then you can start chatting. If they are not added, then you have to invite them. You can make new groups like we do in WhatsApp Messenger. Enter name. I'm gonna invite him for Hangout. Let's chat on Hangout. Send invite. Invite has been already sent it, and you can see if he accepts my invite, then we will call or